Good afternoon, RV family. My name is Jason Herrington here at Veurink's RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan, where we have been family owned and operated since 1954. Now, what I have the privilege of bringing you today is the all new Hideout 299RLDS made by Keystone RV. This is an awesome fifth wheel, easily half-ton towable, opposing slides, big island kitchen, huge 50-inch flat screen in there. This fifth wheel is perfect. I'm going to shoot a short video for you today, touching on a few of the features. If you have any questions, whether it be during the video or after, give me a call. My number will be at the bottom of the screen, and we can definitely make sure we get you helped out and get you in a brand new RV. Now follow me inside. Now, as I'm standing in your all-new Keystone Hideout 299RLDS, this is my favorite part of the trailer. So in the back of this camper, you're going to have a pull-out tri-fold sofa with a huge 6-foot window in the back, and right next to that is going to be your theater seating. Now these seats, you can sit down, you can recline. Directly across from that is going to be your 50-inch flat screen TV. It's going to come with the radio already built in, so you're going to have AM, FM, Bluetooth, CD, DVD capabilities. This TV will pull out. You can kind of turn it so you can sit back at the couch or still recline in your theater seating. Now, as I'm sitting back there hanging out, another person going to be up here in the kitchen, and they're not going to be walking back and forth, interrupting your view while you're watching TV. Now this kitchen, this is a chef's kitchen right here. There is so much countertop space. All seamless countertops, farm-style stainless steel sink with the high-rise faucet. You get the larger 8 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator, and then you have your flush mount stovetop and oven over here with your microwave. So plenty of space to prep. Tons of cabinets and drawers underneath here, as well as your central vac system built right in. That's right, central vac system. If someone makes a mess, hook the vacuum right up to there, clean it up. You don't have to worry about bringing a broom or bringing a vacuum with you. Directly in front of that's going to be your hutch. Look at all this storage space. They do a great job of putting these glass inlets in there. It's really nice, gives that little residential feel with more storage underneath there. Now, as we walk up front, we're going to go into the bathroom and the bedroom. So right here in the bathroom, I love how Keystone does this. They actually give you a full stand-up shower with the glass doors and a seat. Now ladies, I know how you love having that seat in your shower. It makes it way easier. Plus the skylight in there for us taller gentlemen, give us a little more headroom. Linen closet, porcelain foot flush toilet. It's got all the amenities you would at home, but in a camper. Now right here in your master bedroom, Keystone does a great job. They're going to give you so much storage in here. There's a huge linen wardrobe closet right here, as well as you have all these drawers ready to put all your clothes, all your stuff in, with a spot to mount a TV right across from your bed. Now they also give you a nightstand next to the bed. I love how they do that. It's way easier with alarm clocks, cell phones, sleep app machines, stuff like that. Plus they give you all the additional storage above. There's on a fridge and a little bit of storage out here. Easy spot to put extra beverages, some condiments, stuff like that you're going to use around your campfire. You don't want the kids going inside, getting a juice box and making a mess. The back of your trailer, you're going to have the outside shower, as well as a spare tire and a carrier. This is going to come fully equipped with power jacks, so you don't have to worry about cranking this thing up and down manually anymore. It is all power. Just press the button. No more breaking your back to set these things up. It's so easy. As well as completely sealed off underneath. This has got the Keystone Hideout's exclusive cold mountain package on it. So you're fully heated underneath, completely sealed off. You're not going to have any problems with rodents, or if you want to go cold camping in the early spring, late fall, especially here in Michigan, you can definitely get those camping trips underway. Now, I want to thank you guys so much for taking the time and walking through this Keystone Hideout 299RLDS with me. It's a great fifth wheel. It's easily half-ton towable. It's got the 2 opposing slides, the big island kitchen, and that flat screen in the back. You guys are going to love it. If you have a trade and you want to find a value on that, give me a call. I definitely want your trade. If you want me to deliver this because you don't have your truck yet, I can bring this thing anywhere in America, not a problem. So please, give me a call. My name's Jason here at Veurink's RV Center. Give me a call. My number's at the bottom of the screen, and I look forward for you to go RVing with us.